Hello, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this question. How do I keep my Google tabs open and not let my Google Chrome app close them without my permission? To prevent Google Chrome from closing your tabs without your permission, you can follow this step. Open Google Chrome and the address bar type chrome://settings. And then hit the enter. Scroll down and in the left side of your page you can find system. Click on system, then looking for continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Toggle off this option. Now when you close your Google Chrome, it will no longer run in the background and won't close your tabs without your permission. Alternatively, you can also use an extension like Session Buddy that allows you to save your open tabs and restore them later. This way, even if Chrome closes your tab without your permission, you can easily restore them by using this extension. Thank you for watching my video. And for support me, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.